Hey guys, Dave here, Twin Home Experts. Wanted to take a moment and offer the review on the Stanley pressure washer, the 2050 PSI pressure washer. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, here at the Twin Home Experts, we're constantly cleaning decks and patios and concrete and footings for waterproofing. So we've got to have a good pressure washer in order to prep our work. So what we love is the Stanley 2050 PSI pressure washer. This is what it looks like. It actually comes together real easy. In fact, I'm a guy that doesn't like directions and knowing how to put it all together. This is very intuitive. The wheels, you just put the bolts in and the pins drop in to secure the wheels. It really comes together really easy. But more importantly, wanted to give you a visual on how powerful this is. And what I'm gonna do is, we're inside of a garage with drywall mud that's been really adhering to this concrete for about 2 months. So let's go ahead and show you the pressure that this puts out. Now my favorite out of all the tips is I like the yellow one. It not only gives a nice pressure, but it opens up enough to really chip away, get rid of all that grime and grease. So the yellow tip is what we're going to use right now. Let's give you a close-up shot on how this does. All right, folks, just wanted to show you the before here. And then we'll take the yellow nozzle for the Stanley pressure washer. See, it just pulled it right off. All right, folks, now let's go ahead and see how it performs on cleaning that Jeep right there. So come a little closer. As you can see, folks, it's super responsive. The other thing is, and we'll go right back to the machine itself, but you can actually put a detergent in there and actually will mix in with the water and help you facilitate any type of cleaning. So let me show you what that looks like. All right, folks, so this is where you're gonna put your soap, and it just mounts in the very back here. And this just twists on. So what this is going to do is just mix up and allow you, again, to facilitate a really good cleaning. All right, folks, well, there you have it, the Stanley 2050 in action. Hopefully this helped give you a little bit of a visual perspective before you buy it. Not bad for the price and all of your home projects. This is the perfect fit. Hey, if you like this, give us a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button.